Sammy, it's a great pleasure to have you in Pakistan, and we know that you have a lot of love for Pakistan, and the people of Pakistan also love you, especially promoting cricket in Pakistan, because we have not had much of international cricket in Pakistan, but your arrival and your support to the cricket as part of Peshawar Zalmi otherwise also, and we hope that through you the other international teams will be encouraged to come and play in Pakistan.
Yeah. Well, for me, frankly, it's always a pleasure being in Pakistan. I visited Peshawar for the first time, and I felt the love and the support as always, not only from Peshawar but from the people of Pakistan. I want to thank you for having me here, and also thanks to the Army Chief who always gave the go-ahead to have cricket in Pakistan, and hopefully all the international players playing PSL this year will take a trip, because I've experienced it and it's amazing. One of the best places to play. The crowd is amazing. People are lovely. So,
and next time you come, we'll let you play at Yunus Khan Stadium at North Waziristan district.
All right.